Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top story, fighting in Lake State. Kill 9, injuries 3 after cattle raid. In Rumbek, Lake State, local leader in Rumbek, the capital of Lake State, say that fighting between army cattle aider from Rumbek Central and Cueibet counties on Tuesday morning killed 9 people and injured 3 others. The fighting started after cattle raid in Rumbek Central County. Lake State Police Commissioner Major General Enong Machar Majuk say police and army were sent to stop the fighting. He said the situation is calm now. Less than 10 people died from both sides, he said. The situation is under control. Dr. Teran Madi Teran, surgeon at Rumbek State Hospital, say 3 people with gunshot injuries were admitted to the hospital. Their condition is stable. The serious injuries are to the chest and stomach, he said. Most people with small injuries to leg and knees are treated by their families at home. Some people do not go to the hospital because they fear being arrested by the government. Joseph Mading, a youth leader from Cueibet County, said 4 people from their community died, including his cousin. We lost 4 people in the fighting, he said. The situation is calm, but tension is still high. He said the government sent only a small security team on main road. Some areas remain tense. Daniel Latkon, a civil society activist in Lake State, said he is worried about cattle rustling and the violence it causes. The fighting has stopped for now, but tension between Cueibet and Rumbek Central is very high. He said the government should send more security to the border of the 2 counties to prevent more problems. Authorities are watching the situation closely. They ask both communities to work with security forces to keep peace. Local leader and civil group say dialogue is important to solve cattle problem and avoid more fighting. If you are new to my YouTube channel and this is your first time to get this YouTube channel, I would like you to help me by supporting me by subscribing, and do not forget to hit the notification button. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.